Hey guys, what's up? E here. Today, we're going to be going over storage spaces in Windows and how storage spaces will help you provide redundancy for your storage. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So first off here, I got a base Windows 10 installation with 5 20GB disks. So if I go to my partition utility here, I can show you that. And actually, they're not even formatted with a partition table. I'm going to click GPT. But I have 5 20GB disks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to actually implement like the storage spaces on these, there's a few that you can do. You have two-way mirror, three-way mirror. You have parity, and then you have simple. To actually access those, you're going to want to go down in your search bar and type storage spaces. Create a new pool or storage space. And then you can choose how many you want. If you want to do a two-way, you need 3 drives. And if you want to do a three-way, you need 5. If you're just doing a simple and you don't care about redundancy, you can use any amount of drives. I believe parity requires 5 drives as well. In this video, we're going to be doing a 3-way mirror, which is one of the best ways to provide redundancy for drives, parity as well. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty and explain how each works. Just know if one of your drives is lost, you have 4 other drives with 2 more copies of your data on it. So it's just really good if you have like a home storage server or something like that with files that you need or absolutely cannot lose. You want to use storage spaces, you want to use some kind of RAID. That is a must. Anyways, I'm going to click on create pool. You can name it storage space, leave it default, whatever. I'm going to click 3-way mirror right here. And if I scroll down, you can actually see I have 96 gigabytes of total available space. You can actually modify this right here. You can put it to like 90, whatnot. That just like gives yourself headroom in the future, if that makes sense. I'm going to leave it default at 30. I'm going to go ahead and click create storage space. Now, if we go to our file explorer, we can actually find the storage space right here. And let's just create a text document, name it whatever. Put a bunch of characters in here. Just give the file a little bit of size. 1 kilobyte, that's fine. Copy and paste it a bunch of times. Now, every single file in here is being stored across all 5 of my drives. So say I lose drive 1 right now, and I can actually simulate this. I will still have access to all of the data here. Now I'm going to simulate the failing of one drive real quick. I've now removed one of the drives, and if we go down to our file explorer, this PC, storage space, I still have access to every single one of these files. They are still in perfect condition. Like I said, I used 5 drives. I could lose up to 2 drives, I believe, maybe 3. I'll have to look it up. On a 3-way mirror, and I would still have access to all of my data. It would be perfectly intact. Once again, something like this is super useful if you are storing business related files that need to be saved for like 5 years or whatever the law says. Anything really sensitive that you absolutely cannot lose needs to be backed up by some form of redundancy. For some people, they just use the cloud. For some people, they want to use their own hardware. I don't blame them. Now, with what I did in this video, I used a 3-way mirror. You don't need to have 5 drives to provide redundancy. A 3-way mirror is like just making sure in the scariest case possible where 2, 3 of your drives are wiped out, you still have a copy of your data. That's what it's really meant for. You can do this with 3 disks and you'll be perfectly fine. And that is going to be good for almost every situation possible, except freak accidents or like physical damage to the machine itself. Well, thank you guys for watching. That is how you do storage spaces in Windows 10. I hope you all have a great day.